All right, first lesson. Here's what you're going to do. All right, you're going to go to your Chrome. You're going to open a new window. Okay? And you're going to go to your mailbox. Mine is Yahoo. And then I sent both of us this JavaScript file. Right? Okay? So I'm going to close this out. Right? I'm going to open up a new folder. Right? And you're going to do the same, called My JavaScript Work. Or whatever you want to call it. Right? Wherever you know your JavaScript stuff's going to be. Okay? I save it on my desktop. Right? Right click. Right? New folder. And call it that. Okay, go to your mailbox. See, that's another one. That's another one. Yeah, I have too many tabs open. Okay, this one. All right, I'm going to download this from my mailbox. Remember, this is the JavaScript file that we did the other day. Okay, I'm going to show in my downloads folder. Okay, it's in my downloads folder. And if you want to go to where your folders are, right, you go here, the Finder. Right, you can open this up, and this is where your folders are. So I'm gonna minimize these. I'm gonna drag this into my first JavaScript work. Okay, like this. Get in there, and then you go, and my JavaScript work has that. Right. So we drag the HTML file into there, and then what I want you to do is open up your Atom. Okay, and then we're going to drag. You could do it in your Finder. Go to your desktop. Right? Drag in my JavaScript work right here into your Atom. And then click, and then there is your code in your screen, right? The code that we did the other day. Then what I want you to do is open up your Chrome, right? And you could do this and see if it works, right? Go to your desktop, go to my JavaScript work, and drag this into Chrome. And then there is my JavaScript work. All right? Now, next thing I want you to do, I want you to go to w3schools.com. Right? You could go to tutorials, learn HTML, and then I want you to play with some things, right? Create a table, create a list, right? Add an image. Okay, I'll show you how an image works. Okay, click on that. This page is kind of slow. It's heavy, so sometimes it takes a minute. Okay, so I'm going to, if I want to add an image from the internet, I'm going to take it on this page, okay, and then I'm going to paste this, and I could go to, right, we'll go to Musa Barrow Images. We'll just type in Musa Barrow on Google Chrome, okay, and then go to Images. That's a good picture right there. Copy image address. Right, go to our Atom. In the source field, you will paste that. Okay. You could, make the alt Musa Barrow. You'll see, this defines the picture. This is the location of the picture. Then go to Chrome, refresh your page, and you'll see the picture there. Now what I want you to do is adjust the size of the picture, right? And we'll do that with CSS. So go to W3, right? We'll go to CSS, and we'll go to sizes. Let's see, how do you size? Font size, context, margins, padding. To look through here. So I think border images, background. This is advanced, so we don't want to go there. I forget. So what you could do is I'll type in on Google Chrome, be like HTML CSS picture size. Right, styling images. You could use border radius. You could use, right, border padding width. I think we'll set the dimensions of the picture. So we could do, right, so we'll take, remember, this is your style, right? This is where your CSS is. So you take your image, right? Your image, that's this, right? Image, that's referencing it in the CSS file. And then we'll try to, I think we could do height. And no, it's not in here. Let me see if it's, yeah. Width and their height. Yeah, height. So let's try this even. Max width and auto. Right? Max width, that means max width is 100% of the screen, and then auto will automatically adjust it. So we'll do this. See, did anything happen? That looks good. Okay, so let's change the height to 50%. Let's see what happens. Nothing. Okay, so let's keep playing around. So what I'm going to do here, let's see. So you could also define your height and your width in pixels, right? So let's see what will happen if we do this, right? Max width 100 px, height 100 px, all right? And put this in your code just as I'm putting it, all right? And this will all be explained, and that sets the height, all right? I just remembered that, okay? And you could adjust that. We could do 200 px, and then 200 px, and then you'll see it gets bigger, okay? So your goal tonight is to get the file that I sent you like this, right? And then keep adjusting the size of the picture. We can make it 1000 px, and then 300, 2000 px, pixels. This is pixels, so that's how big it's going to be on your screen. And then, as you can tell, and then let's see if the picture will stay there. It doesn't adjust with the screen. It adjusts a little, but then yeah. So that's your goal for tonight. All right, get the picture on the screen, adjust the size of the picture, right? And remember, step 1 is to create your folder on your desktop. Step 2 is to download the file that I sent to your email, and then drag it into that folder, and then drag that folder into your Atom. Open up this file, right? This HTML file. Drag the HTML file into your Chrome, right? You could do it, I think, here. No, you can't. So drag it from here, from your Finder, right, on your bottom left. Drag it into here, and then add the Musabaro picture, right? Image source equals, and then adjust the height of the picture. And then if you get that done early, and you keep exploring, try anything and everything that's in here, right? Play around with everything, right? Add these, right? HTML goes here. Remember that HTML is all like the static stuff on the screen, what you're putting on the screen, right? That's all within the body, right here. Okay, we add it there, all these tags, right? So you could try any of these, paragraphs, styles, quotes, colors. Look at all these, all right? And then go to CSS, and then you could, you set the styles of your HTML elements. As you could tell, we're referencing HTML elements here in our styles, right? So we're saying our H1 tag, we want the color to be green. Our A tag, right, which is our length, we want not to be displayed. Image, here's how we want the dimensions of the image, right? And this is only the first lesson, trust me, there will be a lot more, but good luck with this, okay? And let me know if you have any questions at any time of the day.